कम्युनिदादीचे जागे जे लोकांच्या नावार फटिंगपणान हस्तांतर जाल्यात ते राजकारण्यांच्या आशिर्वादान जाल्यात. एसआयटीन पारदर्शकता ना, कोण तपास करता कांय स्पष्ट ना, पुलीस अधिकाऱ्यांक नांवां लिपोवन दवरपाचो अधिकार कोणे दिला. TMC ह्या विशयाचेर कशीच ओगी बसची ना म्हण ट्राजानो डिमेलो उलयला. RDXGOA ब्युरो रिपोर्ट.
SIT and the government of Goa should tell the people of Goa. कोमिताची जागे जी फ्रॉडुलंटली ट्रान्सफर झाले लोकांच्या नावाचेर आणि हांव फुडचेरुलाचेर उलयता कित्याक कारण भारतीय जनता पक्षाचो मिनिस्टर आसलो हांवें तो हायकोर्टान प्रूफ केलो हाऊ हे फ्रॉडुलंटली टेकन द लँड and there are other politicians involved. Or you say that Kontani's properties are not within our jurisdiction. Therefore, I am saying the terms of references are kept open to play mischief with people's lives, with people's political careers, and to see that the present government remains stable, and everybody will see that today the discipline level has reached very high. It is not discipline, but it's a stick in the hand of the Chief Minister, who is ultimately controlling this society. Now, very important, and I am saying from day one, and today we have seen some talking, people were talking there at some function. Yeah, they will show it, they will open it up, nobody is making a demand for a judicial inquiry into this now that politician names have been mentioned. And why the names are not being declared? To use it as a blackmail. What is it? Who gave the authority to the police officers not to declare the names? Why was it kept behind? When you can come out and say that politician names have been disclosed, why don't you disclose the names? So you are playing a limited game, how to keep all these people under your thumb. TMC will continue to fight and expose this mischievous game of this government.